After I posted up my previous video of a shopping mall tour, I got so many questions saying, please, we love this, please show more, please show more. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. Today we're going to be going to a shopping mall by the name of Marina Mall. It's a mall we go to very, very frequently. It is 3 stores. It has 47 shops inside and ranges between restaurants, high-end boutiques, supermarkets, and they have vendors within the actual shopping mall where you can buy little bags, where you can buy cards, where you can buy cell phone accessories. So I thought, why not take you guys and girls with me and we can just show you this full shopping mall, what it's like to get there, what you can expect in the inside. So let's go, let's make our way there. And if you're new, my name is Callum Wesley, so smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. Let's head to the mall. They take your temperature and you sanitize before you enter. So this is the second floor. Usually we enter a floor below, but currently this is the second floor. You have shoe shops over there, some really nice traditional wear there. The outside little areas I was talking about, some costume jewelry down there, escalators. You got the food court at the top we'll go take a look at just now. Some more clothing shops. That is an absolutely beautiful outfit. Another good shop that has a whole lot of some Marvel things, Iron Man, really awesome. And then make our way around. Now we're going to be making our way down one level lower to show you the shop where we buy a lot of our food. Up there was some more really high-end fashion outlets. Some more clothes down here with jewelry, a bank if you want to transfer some money, draw some money, a photo store. I'm not too sure what this is. Looks like makeup here. Another boutique store, elevators. We have a pharmacy down this way, pharmacy there, some shoes, a whole lot of different teas, butters, nuts. An electronic store, Samsung, espresso, absolutely love it. Got a whole espresso setup here. Another phone store, lovely Ghanaian flag in there, and a whole lot of plants. Down here we have another, which looks like a shop that has a whole lot of bedding, furniture, and then at the very end of it, another electronical shop with absolutely massive TVs on the inside, fridges on the inside, and then the entrance to the food shop. Making our way now to the top level, which is the food court. You can see down there the jewelry, the little shops, some more shops. So I love it. It's shops within shops. You have shops outside, and then below it you have more shops. So up here we have a KFC. Make our way a little bit along here. You have another clothing shop, another clothing shop, another clothing shop, and then a luxury boutique handbag shop, I would say it is. Quite a nice Christmas tree. And then another clothing shop. I have shopped here before, if I remember correctly. Another really nice cafe with an outside sitting area, some Christmas toys, and then it looks like what it says, Marina, for Marina Mall. A skylight letting in tons and tons of light. We'll make our way around and try and see if we can see actually what is on the menu. It looks like a proper Ghanaian restaurant, so it looks really, really lovely. Another one, Sweet Rose Chinese food. And this looks like Ghanaian sandwiches, wraps, salads. No, it's shawarmas, beef, chickens. Have a look at what they have, some of the prices. And then back this way to the KFC, and you get a good look here at the 3 different levels it has. And then if we make our way back through this way and we're able to see through the doors, you'll be able to see the view, and the view is absolutely incredible. You have the aeroplane, because obviously this is close to the restaurant, so there's the other cafe. But as we go through here, you'll be able to see the airplane restaurant, and then the airport in the background with a massive sitting area. You get a really nice look here of the bottom floor. There's my family just finishing up, and then if you pan up, you can see all the way to the top with the skylight looking down. And it's a really, really clean, really nicely done mall, and all the Christmas decorations up and about, lots of smiling faces, and just a good place to be. As we leave, you can see the parking lot again, hustle and bustle, everything going on around us. And then right over there is the airplane I was talking to you about. Let's try and quickly just run across here so you can get the full look of the plane and the main street that it is actually on. Right there. This street is normally extremely busy, but today it's a little bit quieter, seeing as how it is a public holiday. But that was just a really quick little video. I wanted to keep on sharing Ghana, keep on showing everyone, changing the narrative that we have places like this all across the country, and we've got to keep on carrying the narrative, changing the narrative, not listening to what the Western media and everything is, keep on portraying on Africa, on these amazing countries. So I'm going to conclude the video there. Just something very small. Smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve global every single day while spreading Africa, while spreading Ghana to the world.